Welcome back, children. So today we will study about different types of mixtures. First, solid mixture. Say a mixture of, example, say a mixture of sand and pebbles, or a mixture of zinc and copper, right? This is solid mixture. Number two, solid liquid mixture. Can you give me an example of solid liquid mixture? Very simple. Sugar solution. So example of solid liquid mixture is sugar solution. Sugar is the solid and water is the liquid. So example of solid liquid mixture is sugar solution. Next, solid gas mixture. What is this example? Solid gas mixture. The air entrapped in between the soil particles, means in the pores between soil particles, the air that is entrapped in it, that is a mixture of solid gas mixture. So air entrapped in the pores between soil particles. This is an example of solid gas mixture. Next, number 4, liquid gas mixture. Example of liquid gas mixture: carbonated drinks, which you commonly call as cold drink, Thumbs Up, Coca-Cola, Limca, all these are carbonated drinks. So in a sugar solution, some essence, some flavor is added, and in that carbon dioxide gas is dissolved in it under high pressure. That is why whenever you open the cap of a bottle containing cold drink, lot of lather is formed and it fizzes, means it comes out, right? So that extra, whenever you're opening the cap, means you are releasing the pressure. So whatever extra carbon dioxide has been dissolved in it under pressure, that carbon dioxide escapes, and that is why so much bubbles are formed, it comes out of the mouth of the bottle. Then liquid mixture. Most common, mixture of milk and water, which most of the milkmen they are doing. So that is, but I will not write that. Let us write mixture of alcohol and water. That is liquid mixture. Both are liquids, both the constituents are liquids. Lastly, gas mixture. Greatest example is air. Air is a mixture of several gases. This you have been studying right from class 5 or 6. It has so many components: nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, water vapor. So all are gases. So air, the greatest example of gas mixture is air. Clear, children? Next we will do about homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. In homogeneous mixture we will study about solution. So solution is a homogeneous mixture of two substances of which one is generally a liquid and the other can be a solid or a liquid or even a gas. Now solution is of two types. One is called as aqueous and another is called as non-aqueous. Right? On the other hand, a solution can also be called as a saturated solution or an unsaturated solution. So in two ways it can be differentiated, it can be classified. One is on the basis of the solvent. If the solvent is water, now see, solution is formed of solute plus solvent. Solute is the substance which gets dissolved and solvent is the substance in which the solute dissolves. So solvent is generally the liquid and the solid, it can be, the solute can be solid or it can also be a liquid or it can be a gas. But generally we speak of solid. Right? So when this liquid is water, then it is termed as aqueous solution. But if it is not water, if it is say acetone or alcohol or carbon tetrachloride or hydrogen or carbon disulfide right, or say petrol, then it is called as non-aqueous solution. Okay children, so we will continue in our next class tomorrow. Thank you.